I'm Shrina. Welcome to Purple Seashells. Today we'll be making easy, healthy smoothies. The first one we're making is with spinach and mango. The ingredients you'll need are 1 cup milk, 1 spoon grounded flax seeds, 2 spoons yogurt, some mangoes, and some spinach. And some granola if you'd like to top it off. Add the milk. 2 spoons yogurt. Now add in the mangoes. And 1 handful spinach. 1 spoon of grounded flax seeds. We'll grind it. Pour in the smoothie into a cup. You can top this yummy smoothie with some granola, like I am. Top it with fresh mango. There is our smoothie. Time to taste. This is really delicious. Now let's make banana and pineapple smoothie. The ingredients you'll need are 1 cup milk, a little bit yogurt, half a banana, and some pineapples, and gooseberries if you want to top it off. Add in the milk, and the bananas, and some pineapple. Let's grind it. Let's pour in our smoothie. Gooseberries. You could top it off with gooseberries, fresh fruit, anything you like. I'm topping it off with some gooseberries. There it is. Let's taste our yummy, delicious, healthy smoothie. This is so delicious. Now we're gonna make blueberry and banana smoothie. The ingredients you'll need are some almond butter, blueberries, half a banana, and some almond milk, which is 1 cup. And we'll pour it all in the blender. You want 2 full spoons of almond butter. And we're just gonna top it off with fresh fruit. Now let's taste our purple-tastic smoothie. This is so yummy. We will be making rich and creamy strawberry smoothie. The ingredients you'll need are evaporated milk, frozen strawberries and bananas, and fresh strawberries. Pour in the evaporated milk. And top it off with some strawberries. creamy and rich strawberry smoothie. Now it's time to taste.